Hi, my name is Caroline Allen. Welcome to the Expat Creative Writer. I'm the founder of Art of Storytelling. It's a book coaching service, and I've worked with so many expat writers around the world on fiction and memoir and self-help books. And I've taken, in 20 plus years, what I've learned, I've taken it and boiled it down to create a program that directly addresses the issues facing expats today. So if you're watching this, you're an expat, and basically you live in a culture that is not the one you were born into. There are so many things that go along with being an expat. There's the excitement, the adventure, learning new things, the shift in our consciousness, the shift in our awareness, growth and evolution. There are also difficult things that come with it, the frustrations, the loneliness, the feelings of homelessness. Sometimes we feel a loss of identity. And what's interesting about this writing program is it addresses all of those things, from the adventure to the loss of identity. I really believe that when we write and we explore ourselves through our writing, we explore our identity, we explore our culture, we end up finding home inside of ourselves. And then home goes wherever we are. And that's what I'm so passionate about as a novelist myself, a former expat, and a coach. I'm just passionate because I have taken this path and I know the pitfalls, and I like to help people become fully fledged writers and avoid those pitfalls. So let me talk about the program. You're going to write one story by the end of 8 weeks, and that story will be an event from your travels, and it can be used for a self-help book, it can be used for a memoir, and it can be fictionalized for fiction. So I purposefully made this program so that it could cross genres and cross types of writing, so that it could appeal to lots of different writers. During this 8-week course of writing the story, you're going to learn professional elements of writing like characterization, setting, plot, theme, structure. But the exciting thing about this course, and the thing I love the most, is that behind it, you're also going to be taking an online program that's 8 weeks long that you're going to you're going to do this, self-direct yourself in this program that has exercise after exercise that helps you align with your creativity. So in tandem to the writing of the story, in the background, you're going to be doing these intense, wonderful creative alignment exercises that I developed, again, with 20 years of experience of helping people tap into the amazing wellspring of energy that's available to all of us. This creative energy we all have. Tapping into that is almost as important as learning to write the story. Well, it is as important because you need that kind of energy to keep going as a writer. So we'll also have Zoom meetings once a week. So we'll have 8 Zoom meetings, and I'll be there every step of the way with you. I'll be in the meetings. We'll be talking about issues that come up. We'll be discussing the lessons. And there will also be a Facebook forum. So you'll meet other like-minded expat writers in that forum. I want to tell you just a little bit about me. I used to be a journalist in Asia and Europe. I worked for newspapers like The Independent and the Financial Times in the newsroom. I had a sudden calling to give it all up, and I had no idea what I was being called to do. It was a torturous 3 years to figure out that I was being called to find my own voice, and instead of being a voice for the system, I was being called to find my voice and express it. And now I'm an award-winning novelist, and I'm a visual artist. I'm in my art studio yurt in the woods here. And one of the things that I want to tell you about this program that happens to a lot of people I coach, a lot of people in exploring their authentic voice and telling their story on the page heal themselves. And in so doing, they create a healing for the world. And what happens for them is they find even greater purpose after our work together. And for example, I've helped expats write books, self-help books, fiction that have gone on to get published. And then after that, in that process, they have found themselves becoming like a coach. One woman became a performance artist besides being a novelist. I found myself as a visual artist. Other people become like transition coaches, expat coaches, wellness coaches. One woman became a musician. So what I love about this is the healing of it, the creativity of it goes far beyond just this program. And welcome. So the next program's starting very soon. So please sign up, join us. I'm so looking forward to working with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.